Hey everyone, this is Anthony Hall with Handmade Marketing. I wanted to put together a quick tutorial for those who might have a need or desire to track the incoming traffic to your Facebook fan page. You can't exactly track the traffic to the page itself, but what you can do is add a tab to your fan page where you can track the traffic, and what you can do is ultimately put a link on your website or refer out the link to people to visit the tab, so that you can capture the traffic going on there. The first thing you're going to need is something called static HTML. If you go to your Facebook page, make sure you're logged in as you. You go to the Facebook search and type in static HTML, and you should see this option right here. Has the little star in there. Just click that, and then you'll see this. If you need to see the website, you can see it up here. Don't worry about anything after the question mark. So it's just apps.facebook.com/static_HTML_plus. And this is what you should see. Now, all you need to do is hit the big blue button here to add the static HTML to your page. Then you'll just choose the page you want to add it to. I have a fan page called Contest Zoo, so I don't have one here yet, so I'll add it to this one. Okay, now this is my page, and what you'll see here is it defaults to a welcome screen. And to edit the settings, just click on that tab. And they have a lot of options here to choose from. But all you need to do is the HTML option. Click on Use This App. Now they offer a really neat feature which I would urge you to use. There's a fan gate and content. The content is just, you can put in any kind of HTML in here. So you can offer images or text or anything that you could add to a web page, you can add right here. So what we'll do for right now is we'll just add in hello new fan. And we'll save and publish that. And also, I'm just going to show you this fan gate option as well. You enable this. Basically what this does is the people who are not your fans yet will see whatever you put here. Actually, make sure they put some text by default. Make sure you use an app instead. We'll also use HTML for this one. So I'm going to highlight all this. Hello. Click the like button to become a fan. I'm just putting some simple stuff here as an example. So we save this. Just change this to hello fan. Okay, so that's just our basic setup. Now what you need to do is head over to Google Analytics, and you can go there straight to the URL www.google.com/analytics. If you don't already have an account, be sure to create one. I already do, so I'm just going to sign in. What we're going to get from here is the analytics code, which we're going to paste into our HTML pages, both the fan gate and the content pages, so that we can track traffic on both. The first thing you do once you've created your account or logged in, go to your admin page right there. You're going to add a new account. We'll just call this, we'll give it it's not really our website, but we just give it some kind of a name to track it by. So I'm going to say my Facebook page. And we'll just say facebook.com. Now you don't have access to really track any other page, as I said before, but what this will do is at least give us a way to track the tab that we just created. I'm just going to set this. We don't need to have these options. We just want to keep it real basic. I'm going to say get tracking ID. Oh, I have to put in an account name here. So I'll just say my Facebook tabs. There's a terms of service. You can read that at your leisure. So here is the code I was talking about. You'll notice where we're at in the admin pages. We're still on admin. We're under tracking info. This is the basic code itself, but what we want is this entire piece of HTML. It's actually JavaScript. What we're going to do with that is grab the entire thing. It's got our code embedded in there. We're going to copy. I'm going to go back to our tab. I'm sorry, back to our place where we had the code ready. We're just going to insert right into here. Okay. Save and publish. We also want to do the same thing to the FanGate HTML. We'll just paste this right into here. We'll save. Now if we preview it, you can see that you only see the text. You shouldn't be able to see this script here. Now we can go back to analytics, and this is really already, you don't need to hit the save button, it's already in place. And one thing you will notice is the status that says tracking not installed. That's always going to say that. What I've noticed is you can still get the analytics, but because we don't own Facebook, it's not really going to ever be detected as installed. But that's okay. Once this is done, we can go to reporting, and just to make sure that it is working, and it may take a few minutes to start working, go to real time and overview. Right now there's nothing going on. I'm going to go back to my personal home feed, and I'm going to pull up my Contest Zoo fan page. So I'm going to act like I'm a visitor. If I go in here, it says, hello, click the like button to become a fan. Now, I'm not a fan of my own page, but what we should see once Google Analytics picks this up is we'll see that there's one visitor on this page. I forgot to view the tab in visitor mode. That may have affected some things. Go back to Google. There we are. So make sure that when you're visiting your page that you see this option here, View tab in visitor mode. Make sure you click that, because I don't think the right HTML is showing up there. And then what you'll see is this, as if you're an actual visitor and you're not in the admin console. And as you can see, there's now one visitor, which is myself, on my Facebook fan page. Now, just to give you kind of a neater example with what you can do, I happen to have another page called Health Upward. Okay, what I did is I logged in as a different account. And I actually wanted to show you Health Upward. Okay. So on this one, I've already got this one set up, and just wanted to show you how you might be able to use this kind of a tab. If I funnel traffic here, I can share this tab's link, which you can get by grabbing this URL right here. Just grab the entire thing. And for my non-fans, you can see I don't currently like this page. I see the offer. Here's a little image saying, you know, like above, pointing up to the link up at the top. And like us to get your copy of 100 health tips. So if I go up here, I hit the like button. Now it switches from the FanGate HTML to your content HTML. So you still see this image, but now it's different down here. You actually see a message up here, an arrow pointing down to this link, and you can actually download this PDF. So on top of actually being able to track your traffic, you can use this to capture your visitors. You know, give them something free or a coupon, something that would you know, compel them to hit the like button. And now you've got a potential customer. And at the same time, you can track where they came from and how long they stayed on your fan page. And you know, of course, you always check your analytics so you can improve and optimize what you're doing with your fan page, and ideally get more sales. So I hope this has been helpful. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm certainly happy to answer any that you have, and best of luck.